Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'll show you how to switch gesture navigation off or on the Google Pixel 10a. As usual, I'll link in the description to where you can find places to purchase the Google Pixel 10a other than the Google Store. And if you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, you can leave us a comment in the section below. Right, first things first, we need to unlock our Google Pixel 10a. Then once you've done that, I usually pull down the notification shade, pull it down again, and then in the bottom right, next to the power button, you have a settings button. Click on that settings button, and then scroll down to essentially halfway down. There's an option called System. If you tap on that, and then scroll down further, there's an interaction section. Tap on navigation mode. Now, in our setup video for the Google Pixel 10a, we set this device up to have gesture navigation, and that's what's selected now. If you prefer 3-button navigation, you can enable that, and it will give you the buttons at the bottom of your screen. Now, if you press the settings button next to that, on the Google Pixel 10a, you can also change the order of the buttons. So by default, it's the Pixel experience, back on the left, home in the middle, multitasking on the right. But if you prefer the sort of more Samsung, Xiaomi experience, you can do that in the Pixel 10a, switch it to recent, home and back order. But in this case, I'm going to leave it as is. So that's how you switch gesture navigation off and get your 3-button navigation back. Let's go and pretend we want to switch gesture navigation back on. It's as simple as pulling down your notification shade, pulling it down again, and then the cog setting at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down to about the middle and select System, and then Navigation Mode, and just select the tick box or the button box for gesture navigation, and then that will switch it back on. So there you go. That's how to switch gesture navigation off or on the Google Pixel 10a. As I said earlier, if you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, leave us a comment in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to you. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.